her opinion about her school life.
Your success and happiness lies in you. By saying this, a warm good afternoon to everyone. Respected chief guests, teachers, parents, principal, and all my dear friends. I, Harshita Bagalkote of 10th class, today I am very glad to speak a few words about my teachers. Every farewell is a sunset that always awaits for sunrise. I would like to take this opportunity to express my great gratitude to our teachers who dedicated themselves tirelessly to our education and development. Teachers are the pillars upon which aspirations are converted into realities. I would like to take this opportunity. It has been a really long journey for all of us, and it's my great pleasure to talk a few words about my school life. Because my journey in this galaxy of Kumareshwar School is not just 1 or 2 years. It is 13 years of long journey I have been studying. First, when I entered this campus, I learned 3 years in Kalmar. And later, till 6th, I studied in primary school, that is our old campus. Later, it was turning point, that is COVID-19 pandemic. Because of this, schools were off and online classes started. We used to join online classes, but behind the camera, we used to play and no concentration towards the studies. Later, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th played a crucial role. And I entered this campus during 7th. And this year, I am summing up my journey by completing 10th standard. My teachers are best among the best. Roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. It's my duty to respect and thank them. First, the guidance what we get and the who thought about endurance and the leader of this campus. That is our MD Chandra Isha, who is headmaster of this campus and also a maths teacher. I appreciate the time and the effort you put in solving the difficulty concepts and answering our questions. And I like your teaching skill that made us enjoyable and understandable for me. And it's my grateful to me. Thank you, sir. Next, our class teacher, Nazir Gorinayak sir, who taught us many things. And personally, I would like your cheerfulness, your mischief, and your advice, and the tricks to remember the grammar points. Thank you, sir. Next, our science teacher, that is Praveen sir, who always says that whenever you feel low, just remember the pictures of your parents. That will give you much motivation. Thank you, sir. Next, Valmiki, our night angle of this campus, that is N.S. Bhattivada sir, who taught us poem by singing and made it easy. Thank you, sir. Next is that Hanigaon Rani, that is our H.A. Kudri miss. You are so harsh and concern taking towards us, but strict at the same time. Thank you, miss, for your dedication. Next, silent filled with talent, that is our SS Kurman sir. I like your patience and I learn from you. And they are saying, I'll never forget that patience has limits. And you are the person who is kind-hearted. Thank you, sir. At the same time, very supportive and innocent, that is our Rekha miss. Thank you, miss. Sports do not build character, but it reveals the character. That is our SP Kolli sir, who encouraged in me about chess. Thank you, sir. One of the teachers who taught us maths and was a class teacher for 3 years during 7th, 8th and 9th. That is Lakshmi miss. Thank you, miss. And our Manjunath sir, who taught us Kannada during pandemic, and Basu sir, who taught us SS for 2 years. Thank you, sir. One of the most benefit that we gained this this year is Class Sati, and our teachers encouraged us to learn through Class Sati. From our teachers, I learned to give respect and discipline. Intelligence plus character, that is the true goal of education. Intelligence plus character, that is true goal of education. My teachers encouraged in me and encouraged us to overcome the fears and taught us valuable lessons in life. And I have infinite memories, fun-filled moments in class with my friends, sports events, cultural activities, and endless laugh with my friends. Sometimes we will never know the value of moment until it becomes a memory. The personality I developed was all possible because of my parents, teachers, and friends, and the teachers who supported me whenever I required. There are plenty of teachers on this campus who dedicated themselves towards us, and they will be there whenever we need suggestions for something. And personally, I thank all teachers, all non-teaching staff, and all my friends who there with me and these all years. For friends, I just want to say that there are many goals or opportunities waiting for you ahead. Just fulfill your dreams and try to reach your goals and do what you feel good. And never lose hope on you. Enjoy every moment of your life and try to do something that makes you better and better version of yourself. From here, we all are summing up our journey and moving to the new world, that is our colleges. And that was the effort of our teachers who made us to step out of this school. For them, first of all, I tell thank you. And since 2 years, our school has given a good result in Sslc board examination by state level first rank and district level first rank last year. And I will promise that I will try to do the same result and this year academic. The two hardest things in life are to say the hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. End is not the end. In fact, END stands for efforts never dies. I will conclude my speech for giving this opportunity to talk in front of you all. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir, for expressing your gratitude towards the teachers by saying, "My teachers are the best among the best," and letting us to know the importance of the word "and."